Dear brothers and sisters, sometimes in life we feel that God does not answer my prayer. Consistently I ask, and when I feel that God does not listen to my prayer, I cease to pray. I stop praying. Here is a beautiful message for you and for me. If you are a true believer in Christ, you have to pray without ceasing, without doubting, with confidence, with trust, and with authority. Why with authority? Because He is